morning, everybody. I told you that I would have this piece available and staged, and guys, if you have missed me painting this piece, I've done it step by step over on Facebook on lives. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Just a quick review of the colors: Hey Sailor, Mermaid Tail, Kissing Booth, French Millinery, some more Hey Sailor, Black Velvet. I made a copper metallic. I finished the entire piece in a white wax. The French script I have cut up into 8 different sections and just kind of threw it on there, you guys. Just transferred it. It's IOD, or Iron Orchid Designs transfers. I've also got it a little bit around here wrapped. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm calling this wardrobe Boho French. All paint is from DIY Paint from Debbie's Design Diary. The transfer, which is the script that you see on the armoire, they are from Iron Orchid Designs. The colors are Black Velvet, Hey Sailor, Kissing Booth, French Millinery, Queen Bee, and Mermaid Tail. Thank you.